today is a day that I am going to do something very different. It's been a while since I've actually vlogged. Look a bit more light. So I'll be going out at sea to get some underwater content with a very cheap underwater housing, universal housing for my Sony FX3.
What's up, bro?
You look rich, brother.
Yeah, looking nice, looking fly.
Looking rich.
Oh, how's it supposed to look? Let's go on the boat.
Right. Set up. So this is your underwater housing.
Yes, so it's my underwater housing for the A7 III. I'm using the 18-105 millimeter lens. It works perfect with this one. This is a Sea Frog housing, by the way, guys, if you're looking for one. They're very affordable, I think. You know, I know there's some underwater housings cost like $2,000, $3,000 up, but this works. It's like $550, so yeah. But yeah, man, I'm going to create some underwater content today with Pedro, so I'm hoping to get some really nice shots of myself and of him too. No. Oh wait. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Right time. Fast beamer. Sky overcast. Really overcast.
Yeah, it tends. Fuck. Might rain for real.
So the sky is a bit overcast. It's kind of sad, but yo, this is it. You know, this is a water day. You get me?
Just have to work with it. Jamaica been raining like every day in the middays to like 4 o'clock.
Yeah, we have one more. Morning.
Morning.
How you doing?
I'm good.
There are some. There's a number on it.
Yeah, it says 25
25. What about
liters,
this one?
and this is 20.
That's 20.
Yeah.
So 20, 25. Raga said this one is 35. So that means 25, 35 is 60 plus 20 is 80. That is actually 20 gallons. So you
20
put in
gallons, okay.
20 gallons. Is it? Crystal.
Captain
Come on, you
Christoph.
know all the calculations.
20 gallons? I mean, we took.
10 gallons an hour.
Yeah. I would say probably a little more. Because from town,
It depends.
we took a long time to from town.
Like what, 8?
Oh man, this is.
Heavy.
Try to push it down in the wall, man.
5, 4, 30.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, just pour, baby, pour. Yeah.
So much.
Take
wow.
it in, baby. Yeah, baby.
But Christoph, you're loaded.
Loaded boy.
You're loaded.
Yeah. I can do this all day.
Really?
Yeah, bro. Putting that, what? How much gallons? 35 liters is? 30 liters?
By 4 is like 8.
Yeah, don't spill the gas, you know.
8.5 gallons.
Yeah, this looks
No,
nice.
it requires some technique. Yeah. You even can rest the jug on the pole.
So the boat out kind of sway a bit. I love the center gas now.
Yeah. That's me growing up 10 times I reach a gas station. Just like, yeah. It does something. Oh god.
Oh, yo, this place is so hot. So basically, meanwhile, everybody is actually almost ready. I will be shooting in the water with this. This is from, I don't know how to pronounce it, Dicapac. Yeah, so it's like a universal underwater housing for any camera. So I'm going to put the Sony FX3 in it. Yes, I love the boat. I love the boat.
It's really pretty.
beauty.
Love the boat.
Wait till you listen to the music. You know you're nothing like that yet. Oh, take this one, just put it on. White one you have, two white one I had yesterday.
Captain Crystal.
Alright, one is there, one is in the front.
Yes. You just go into the menu, we can do that later.
Yeah, we'll try to figure that out.
And you just mark it as like a danger spot or
Yeah.
yeah.
Alright, so putting 20 gallons now.
Stupid,
Yeah.
but then you know exactly
It's coming from here. Like,
right there. I would say.
I don't know. And we need to wrap these irons so it don't damage our ropes. So,
See, good things I'm a vlog. I'll start vlog.
good thing here, Mark.
Yeah.
So who's on the helm?
I'm gonna be on the helm, I guess.
Okay. You go.
Or go.
I untie.
Yay!
I don't know what that means, but okay.
This is the helm.
Helm.
Helm. Slowly out. There we go.